Hello, fellow songwriters and other interested observers. This is Charles Absher. I'd like to do a song that I began to write at the songwriting workshop I attended in New Mexico back in late August. Eliza Gilkyson's songwriting workshop, assisted by Mary Gaucher, a couple of great songwriters as facilitators. Met a lot of wonderful people. A lot of wonderful songwriters. It was just a great time all the way around. Highly recommended if you're interested. This is Get Ready for the Rain. People gather round, I got something to say. Storm clouds are coming, gonna wash the chaff away. Come on, get prepared, no time for delay. Get ready for the rain. Sound the alarm, the sky is burning. Sound the alarm, the sky is burning. Sound the alarm, the sky is burning. Get ready for the rain. Brothers and sisters, come and walk with me a while. Together we can make it through the coming trial. We can help each other to walk that weary mile. Get ready for the rain. Sound the alarm, the sky is burning. Sound the alarm, the sky is burning. Sound the alarm, the sky is burning. Get ready for the rain. The water will be clear, the air will be clean. Sun and the wind gonna make our footprint green. Listening to science will be quite routine. Get ready for the rain. Sound the alarm, the sky is burning. Sound the alarm, the sky is burning. Sound the alarm, the sky is burning. Get ready for the rain. Telling you now, the time is coming near. People reunited with the families they hold dear. Children will rejoice when we wipe away their tears. Get ready for the rain. Sound the alarm, the sky is burning. Sound the alarm, the sky is burning. Sound the alarm, the sky is burning. Get ready for the rain. Let's sing that one more time. Sound the alarm, the sky is burning. Sound the alarm, the sky is burning. Sound the alarm, the sky is burning. Get ready for the rain. Get ready for the rain. Get ready for the rain. Thank you.